Right. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Introdu- uh, int- Introducing this video was a really good mood, but a little bit nervous. Hands are shaking. It's 9:24, if you can see it. 24. Um, Look, I have been in agency space for a very, very long time. Since I was about 14 or 15 years old. I'm 17 right now and I'm gonna turn 18 this year in July. Oh, but this is my first time. Like, I don't know, I'm really struggling with English. Like, I was talking with this guy. This is first time I hop on a call with a client from America. First time, um, yeah, I have been in, as I said to you, I have been in an agency space for a very long time, but I never get out of my local industry. I was doing everything, for my not my but local entrepreneurs, local business owners, and I never was doing anything for European American people. It's just it's just something I can't comprehend. First of all, I'm happy. Second, I'm kind of nervous because I'm not that kind of salesy guy, you know. This guy, which is gonna hop on a single call from a first call, get to know each other, sell the product, show the portfolio, get to know the client, find what you call pain points, and send a credit card, all this stuff, like getting payment from a first 20-minute call. Like, I mean, there are some people who love this idea, but you know what? Not only it is gonna make a business more struggling and suffering for you out there, because you're gonna be thinking, if I'm not gonna close this client from the first freaking try, in 20 minutes, in this 1 hour period in which I'm gonna have a call with this client, if I'm not gonna close him from the first try, which I'm gonna make, I'm a total failure. You know what? Even if you're not gonna close the client, you're not a failure. The failure is the guy which didn't even try to get on a call, didn't try to do anything. This is the failure. Not trying. It's the failure. Okay. No matter what kind of mistakes you're doing, no matter what kind of you know the most important, like, no matter how bad you are trying, that's what I want to say. No matter how bad things are turning around, no matter how big f-ups, mistakes you are doing, how stressful this process is, the thing is, let me first end my thought. Keep doing that. Like, I'm not saying keep repeating your mistakes, but you know the the moment when you are gonna fail actually is the moment when you're gonna stop outreaching to people, is the moment when you're gonna stop getting on a call with the people because of your personal, like, whatever, like, because you don't want to get into call, because you don't want to, like, you don't feeling like doing that, all this stuff, right? mm, that's the failure. Failure is not to make mistakes. Like, I get on the first my call with this guy. Not only with this guy, but in general, like with any kind of client which speaks English. You know, if you know me, and you know, all this time when I was around people who don't speak English, I thought that my English is very good and stuff. Like, I'm a G. But as soon as I get on a call, it was a person from United States who spoke native English, who don't really care about anything, just yeah. That's the moment when I realized that I'm not as good as I thought. Uh, I mean, not necessarily the first moment. Like when I make these videos and I re-watch myself talking English and I see this, I realize that I'm not as good as I thought again. But okay, whatever. Uh, I'm nervous. I'm nervous because I said to this guy, you know, I'm not a sales guy. I'm not a sales guy. I'm someone who makes websites. I'm not a professional sales guy or anybody. Like I'm just your friend. Like I'm trying to be authentic and like friendly when it comes to everything. Even the the message which I'm sending. You know, if you saw the previous videos, it's just like call ended like couple of minutes ago. It ended like freaking 5 minutes ago, and I like as soon as call ended, I'm recording this video. That's why I'm still kind of nervous. First, I didn't close the client. Second, I realized that my English sucks. Then like the goal wasn't to actually close the client also. Like I set the price, I said what I have made, here's what I have made, here's what I know what to do, and here's me being honest that I don't know how to deal with this, but you know what, I'm gonna do it anyway. Here's the price, here's the service, bro. If you need my help, I'm here. I'm your friend. I'm not a sales guy. I'm not all this freelance. No, I'm not the kind of person. I'm being just. I even did couple of jokes with him, like just, I'm just being honest with him. Not something like, you see this people on the internet, the sales calls which they make, the professional script, the following of the script, the words which they say, find a pinpoint, da 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 da. No, not really, bro. You are just over complicating business for yourself. You could have just, be yourself. Like the remember the base fundamentals of the business: value and the price. You have a skill which they potentially need. Don't overcomplicate things. Don't overcomplicate things. Like, bro, I beg you, don't overcomplicate it. They know that you know how to edit your videos or how to make websites or how to do all this SMMA because you probably have made something before. Like at least I have done something before. And if you never have made something before, then same advice for you, bro. Be yourself. Don't try to pretend that you're a fucking sales guy, a guru, Alex Harmozy, or like somebody else, bro. Be yourself. Tell jokes if you want. Really, like tell about yourself. Listen to what he's saying. He is a freaking human being as you are. He's just someone who needs website or needs a video editor or needs SMMA guy. There's no, very complicated things going in here. Like, don't overcomplicate it. I mean, the sales script, sales training, knowledge, value, all these pinpoints, all these analytics, all these numbers, all these words which are very hard to even pronounce are good, but not probably for you because you are gonna focus too much on how to do one thing perfect, one sales call perfect, rather than doing as many sales calls as you can. And then by practice and through practice and time, you will realize that you are following this script unconsciously. You are getting know him, he is getting know you. You are listening how he's talking about himself and his business. You are saying about your own experience, what you have made, and who you are. That's all fucking it is. Like I mean, that's the way I do business. Like personally, before I used to make all these calls. I used to watch bunch of sales calls videos, bunch of like trainings, sales call videos, and like how people sell, like pinpoints and stuff. Bro, I just get on a call, listen to what he's saying, just his business, and just no, like I just chill, chill, bro, chill. Be yourself. Don't try to pretend that you are Grant Cardone, Alex Hormozy, or Wolf from a Wall Street. Okay, be yourself. You know how to edit videos, build websites, do SMMA. Chill, relax, peace. That's the my message for today. That's what I want to say.